Good afternoon. This is Cameron at Traders Network Club, and welcome to the altcoin season show. Today, we're going to talk about 5 crypto coins that we're looking for max gains coming in these next few months. So, we're going to go ahead and talk about these 5 coins right after this break. All right, guys. So a lot of good stuff going on. Looks like the market's starting to get back to green. Seen a lot of green in the market. Bitcoin is starting to make a move. So before we get into the charts and start talking about these coins, just quick updates that I want to show you guys real quick. So I did see some Blockworks tweet few days ago talking about South Korea releasing a 5-year plan to be the metaverse world leader. That's very interesting that South Korea would say something like that. You can see they are planning to create 40,000 experts. Minister Lim Haizuk, I think I said that right, said that the metaverse is an uncharted digital continent with indefinite potential. Anyone can realize their dreams. So they're going to be starting some big stuff in the metaverse. A lot of big news in the metaverse. So like we've been talking about the metaverse for weeks and months now. So if you guys still want not, you know, educate on the metaverse, I'll definitely keep up and do some research. This is the future. There's going to be a lot of opportunities coming in the metaverse. Moving on. Oh yeah. So with Bitcoin, everyone kept asking, why is Bitcoin dropping? I mean, there's so much stuff that's up there that's affecting the market with Bitcoin, and definitely one of them is with Russia and Ukraine. You can see the White House, said that Biden is to hold a video call with the European leaders on Monday as part of the coordination with the allies. That was yesterday, I believe. So yeah, there's a whole thing going on with the Russia's military on the Ukraine's border, and the US is getting involved. So there's a lot of tweet going around, hashtag World War III. So I'm not going to get too much into that, but I definitely say this is something you guys should definitely research and take a look into what's going on with Russia and Ukraine and the US. So now going back to Bitcoin, let's see what Bitcoin's actually doing. Um, so yeah, we had that little dip right here when I talked about last week, um, and I was expecting Bitcoin to drop close to 30,000. Right, I think Bitcoin only got to 32, so not not all the way to 30,000, and you can see it's starting to see some green. So if we can just get some more of that rally all the way up to this trend line and break through this trend line, then we will uh we will see Bitcoin starting to move up. But right now it's kind of flat, it's kind of steady. So we're just gonna keep our eyes open and see what it does in these next few days through this week. And if we can hopefully get some more bullish to break that resistance right there. So going back to the 5 crypto coins. So I mean, we're looking at the market right now on coin market cap, and we can see that there's a lot of green, right? We're starting to see a move in the coins, in old coins, right? Um, Terra Luna is one of the coins I'm going to talk about because it hasn't seen any movement yet. So this is something that we could get in early. But as you can see, most of these coins are starting to move up in the next 24 hours. Um, and this is just the top 100 listing coins here. So you can see the majority of them all are moving up. So we're gonna take a look at a few, like I said, 5 coins that I'm expecting for some momentum and some movement this week, or at the end of this week. So let's go and check. The first one I'd like to talk about is Luna, right? Just like I said, Luna. So if we take a look at the charts for Luna. All right, so now you can see. Let me just put this a little lower. You can see I draw a 5 wave, right? So you can see that we got a big swing right here on the first wave. Here's the second wave, and you got that big swing on the third wave. You can see these eternal wavelengths that I draw right here just to confirm my big wave length. So we always expect price to, you can see we're on that fourth wave, and we're at that support level. We're at the support level at that eternal 4. So that's what we always expect. We always expect the wave for price to drop down and test that eternal fourth wave, and price, what it's going to do, it's going to drop all the way, well, not gonna drop, but it's going to go up all the way for that fifth wave, and it's going to try and hit that 2.7. So if I can pull up, where's my, let's see how much that would be. 126%. So if you're looking for over 100% gain, Luna is a good chance, good time to go ahead and buy in right here. As long as price doesn't go drop down and break this second wave right here, we're on a terms of buying right now. So this is a good chance to go ahead and buy, and we'll look for that gain all the way to the 2.7, which was about over 100%. So you can take that 100% gain and call it a win, right? That's Luna for you guys. So now I was looking at Polygon. Polygon, yes, right here. It was 30% the last week, right? 30% down, only 5% up in the last 24 hours. So it hasn't made that much movement. So is it a good time to get in? Well, let's take a look. Polygon. So you can see I have my wavelengths right here. So so here's my first wave, here's my second, and my big third wave right here. Once again, just like we see what the market's doing, we got that retracement on that fourth wave. And as long as it doesn't break that second wave, we're looking for that fourth wave and that fifth wave rally, just like what the market always shows us. Um, and we're looking for a all the way to the 2.7, another 150% gain. 150% gain, guys. So yeah, we're looking for another buy-in right here. Price is at 152. So this is a great time to get in right here, and we're looking for that rally all the way to the 2.7 for 150% gain. That's a win, right? 150%. That's a win for me. Next coin. Let's go to Chainlink. Chainlink is another coin I like a lot. I like Chainlink a lot, and you can see Chainlink is very low at $15. Only 5% up for the last 24 hours. So not much big movement. So if you can see what Chainlink's doing. All right. So you can see we're kind of sitting at this low consolidation, right? At this level and this support level right here. If you see, I draw the trend line all the way from this low, right? All the way from this low to this low to just get that support trend line. And I have a support level here where price bounces. So you can see we have a strong support level right here where where we're looking for price to bounce. Because you can see price bounce from this support level and bounce from this resistance. And you can see it just consolidating and just couldn't break through this, bounce back, couldn't break through. And now we're looking for the bounce back. And our target is for this next level. So if we go, say price hits over here, right? We get in, price goes and wants to test this resistance level. We're looking for 164% gain. 164 is just getting more and more, right? So this is another chance, right? Another opportunity to to go and buy right here. So we're looking to buy at $15 and we're looking for price to go and hit $36. So another opportunity to get in for that 160% gain. Huge win. Huge win, guys. So a lot of good opportunities in the market. Axi Infinity, next coin. Um, One of the coins I've talked about, play to earn coin, right? We love to talk about those play to earn games in the metaverse. Now, talking about Axie, let me just bring this up real quick. I know Axie just released something too. Um, yeah, so they are releasing like a new version. Let's see, like yeah, see, like they're moving Axie Infinity update 1.13.3. So they are until season 21 buffer period. Okay, so we anticipate this will be the last balancing until the season 21. We may make hot fixes until the launch of season 20. So they're coming up with a huge update. A huge update in Axie Infinity. So yeah, a lot of stuff on my Twitter feed about Axie Infinity those last few days. So just trying to see. I didn't see any other updates over here. Okay, yeah. So yeah, they are releasing a new update. Um, so not 100% sure the full details is right here if you guys want to check it out. Looks like they're just adding some new stuff and just trying to make the game better. So and a lot of people are liking it. So let's go check Axie Infinity on the charts, right? Um, all right. So here's our waves, right? We got wave one, two, three, four, and five. Just like previously, we talked about how the market is just coming back and testing that fourth wave, right? Testing that fourth right here. You can see we got a support level. Now we expect the market to rally, and for the fifth wave, we expect the market to go. Let me just do this right here for the 618. That's what we always predict the market to do. It's what we've from experience of the market, we know that it's gonna go and test the 618. So if we get in right now and we get all the way to that all the way to that 618, it's over 400%. 400%, guys. It's getting bigger. Like I said, it's getting bigger. 400%. That's a huge win, right? So right now the market's just sitting right at that level, at the fourth wave, at that support level. So this is once again a huge buy-in. Buy. All right. Now we're gonna expect that to take that fifth wave all the way to 618 and create a new wave. So this is once again setting up perfect for a huge, huge rally all the way to that 618. Um, so yeah, so there's some good stuff with Axie Infinity. Talk about Sand is another coin. I see Sand is down here somewhere. See, Axie Infinity was only 31%, not only, sorry, 31% down for the week, only 6% up for the day. And same with Sandbox, very similar. Um, and I know once again, Sandbox just dropped their alpha season 2 pass. Like a month ago, we talked about Sandbox and the alpha pass when they started it. Now they're dropping again season 2. Um, so if I pull it up here, you can see. And they're also coming with the Discord with Snoop Dogg. Come and chat all things Snoop Dogg and his Avatar collection. So they got the Snoopverse Discord. So you can see Snoop Dogg starting to take a huge role in that metaverse. Um, and then they were dropping all these little estates that people were buying. Um, there's a lot of drops I saw that was purchased in the open sea market with sand. There was a lot of drops. Where's that? Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, yeah, yes. This is another uh thing they're trying to drop on the 8th of February is the wombats. So this is gonna be like a little NFT that they're dropping. It's gonna be probably sold out because Sandbox always gets sold out. And you can see they where did they drop? Look at the land activity, guys. I mean, the purchasing of lands is unbelievable. Here we go. Alpha Season 2 Game Jam. So anyone that has the Alpha Pass gets to go and play the Season 2. And you guys want to see how much these Alpha Passes are selling? Just real quick, just to show you. Let's see how much it is. I can't remember the last for Season 1. I can't remember what the price was at. Um, Let me go type in. Uh, so look at the land. They're bidding for around 2 ETH, almost 3 ETH. So look at this activity. Hmm, unbelievable. So yeah, if you guys want to invest, uh, take a look at Sandbox land. That's something a lot of people are investing in. So let me go to assets. I think it might be assets. No, it might not be actually. I don't know where the Alpha Pass is. This is just like stuff you can buy. You can buy and put it in your land. It's basically little digital assets you can put in your land. I mean, look at these things. Look at this, guys. Oh, yeah, here we go. Alpha Pass. Really? Only 2.6? Okay. So it's not. So the Alpha Pass is, around 700, 800 bucks. Not crazy. I thought it was actually being a little more, to be honest with you. Um, but this is just to have access to playing the game. It's basically like having access to the beta. And I mean, look at this, guys. I mean, you got all right. This is a little cheaper, but I mean, you got like what's this? A jetpack for 1 ETH? Someone bought a jetpack for $3,000. $3,000. This is why I'm so high on these metaverse games, especially Sandbox. I think Sandbox is, like I said, every time I'm talk about Sandbox, I've always said this is one of the ones I think is going to be the best in the metaverse, the best game in the metaverse. I think it's going to be absolutely overfilled with millions of people playing this, and you can already see if people if people can go and pay thousands of dollars for just low assets, thousands. I mean, $3,000 for this jetpack. And I mean, this is not where this is just the beginning. I mean, this is not even at its top highest. volume of selling these assets. I mean, we see, look at this, a vending machine for half an ETH. I mean, some of these things aren't too expensive, but it's just like, look at this. Oh, that's sand. That's not ETH. That's not 15 ETH. But I mean, you can see how much people are buying this stuff in the last. This is just the last day. Um, it's crazy. It's actually really crazy, guys. And you can see during December we had a huge spike of volume there. All right, so sand. Let's go. Let's check the So once again, we talked about Axi Infinity doing the same thing here, right? Same thing, guys. We got that wave one, wave two, wave three, and now we're at that wave four, right? This is time to buy in. We're expecting it to go and maybe buy in now if the price goes and bounces off this support right here. You can go and cost average, right, and buy in again, level in, guys. It's one of the strategies we do. So we're looking for, again, let's see, all the way to 2.7 because it's that fifth wave. Fifth wave, we always expect to hit that 2.7. So if you're buying right now, over almost 300%. So about 285. 285% gain. Is that a win? Yes, that's a win, guys. I'll take over 200% gains any day. So this is another huge opportunity to go and buy in right here, guys. I mean, this is setting up perfect. We're looking for that fifth wave. Anytime we're on that retracement, on that fourth wave retracement, it's always a good time to buy in and look to get in and take out that fifth wave. So that's it, guys. Those are the 5 coins that I'm looking into for that huge gains in a week or so. As long as Bitcoin can start, hit that threshold and just kind of bump through that resistance, and just if we can get Bitcoin to go up, we're looking for these coins to follow. There's no doubt. There's no doubt these coins will follow. Bitcoin can go up. So just keep an eye on Bitcoin. A lot of stuff going around the world right now. So let's just keep an eye and just just there's a lot of stuff going on in this world right now. I mean, there's a lot of talks about it all over social media, just about like Russia and Ukraine. But keep an eye on that. Everything's gonna affect the market, guys. Everything will affect the market when it comes to um, you know, problems with war in countries and diversion, all that. So that is it for today. Does anyone have any questions? Okay. Hey, multi-service. Nice to meet you. But go ahead and like the video, subscribe. I will see you guys on Thursday. I was a little late today. Had some problems with just setting up my computer this morning. So I started at like 1 o'clock, I believe. We usually do it at 11:30. So Thursday will be on time. So sorry for being late today. So yeah, go ahead and like, subscribe, check out our trade signals in the description below. If you guys are interested in trading yourself and you don't know where to start, we can help you with our trade signals that we give you to copy. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Cameron signing out.